I'm Chris from Ski Bartlett. I've just been skiing on the Blizzard Brahma 88. This ski is absolutely bomb-proof. We've got quite slushy conditions here today with the heat, but absolutely rails on an edge. Doesn't give an inch, but it's super forgiving. It's got a nice snappy tail and a nice snappy tip. So forgiving in and out of the turn, but through the middle it's super solid, so you can really rely on it. Absolutely fantastic for somebody who is looking to kind of advance their skiing all around the hill, really with a hard snow preference, but definitely works well in the side piece, a little bit of off piste. Great for somebody who likes to go fast and do all kinds of turn radius.